Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. I sort of got myself stuck in rainbow mode today, so I'm not going to worry about anything except for just playing and having some fun. I have attempted to position this so that it's as close to the center as possible. I've also left all my bottles in the way. I'd really like it to be in the center because I've had a few that weren't quite in the center and I wasn't overly thrilled. So I'm going to give myself a ring around that. And I'm going to take it away. And I'm just going to squish it out with my OXO omelet turning spatula and keep making that irritating noise. This is basically just paint I expect to help spread other paint. And what I'm really going to do next is put some black around the outside, but I want to make sure that I have enough of a ring of wet paint. This is not any way that I've done anything before, and I make no promises about where it's going to go from here. And I think I may finish with gold in the center, but it might even happen tomorrow because I'd like it to be sort of hassle-free. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to have to be kind of quick because it's a warm day. And I'm going to use my black, which is right behind me. For my edges, I hope. And I'm not going to mind at all what happens to the schmutz on the spatula. Because I have a certain level of confidence that I can fix almost anything. And it would have been nice to be able to have the turntable turning, but I really do want those colors right there handy. I could have laid them down in their container first. I'm a little quiet because I'm a lot focused. There's always skewers and chains and anything else I might happen to want if I want to manipulate this. But for right now, I'm thinking that I've got some black enamel and I may just wind up swiping. That's the plan at the moment, is swiping. And it might be swiping with a spatula as opposed to a little card, but we'll see how I feel about it. The only thing I'm not swiping with is a damp cloth, which I used to. I'm going to smooth that paint right over the edge right now because I don't like seeing that canvas there. Alright, that's going in the bucket. I'm going to put that aside for a second and bring my container up here. I'm going to start in the middle with my favorite color. Because if I start with what I like the best, I can't really go wrong. I don't know that I'm going to fit all my colors in here. I better get busy quickly if I want to fit them all. Looks like I'm going to have to put my orange on the other. Hello? Oh, it's not coming out. Well, I need that yellow. It's not convenient that it's not coming out, but I do need it. I got a rather large lump out of the tip, so I'm hoping that it will flow now. This is going to be kind of organic. I lost my spot there. Let's hope that'll push it over. I wanted some other colors in there, but I'm not going to have them. And it is spreading a different direction than the direction I was going. keep trying to get my stuff out of the way. I wanted some, oh, I got some green in there, good. That's an iridescent pink that they don't make anymore that came from Masterminds. Wait, no, Art Minds. Too many masters and moderns and arts. I think I could actually put that orange. I have another red. And since we're short on orange, I'm just going to do that. Alright, so this is risky at best. I'm going to have to put it sideways. And I really hope this works. That doesn't have any paint on it. Yeah, and she just stuck her finger right in there. Ran it around in a circle. Don't let me forget to put in the enamel. I think I messed it up. But it's still kind of cool. It'll be whatever it'll be. And I'll be lucky if there's room for the last one. But it looks like I got away with it. Now I'm inclined to just take that paint Where's my black? Whoops, that was a lot more than I was expecting. Let me find a clean skewer. And just shimmy that right down and off. So yeah, I've got paint on my little card. Coming right off. Why not use it? Now, do I want any more? I think I do. I think I just want to use it. Keep dipping in there. Because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. It's my first try at this, so it's not perfect. And I could definitely keep moving those out if I wanted to. It's not bad. It's interesting. It's definitely more organic than perfect, by far. The rays at least went in there kind of cool. I've been playing with rainbows today. I think I mentioned that. I did use up all my paint. Now I got to decide what to do. with my extra stuff. Which I could very easily try and do something else with, and I'm not sure what that something else would be. But I'm not interested in screwing up what I've got, which is something of a good thing. I just need to decide what I'm going to do. And that is not the black enamel, but that is what I've got. Even if I drag down the canvas, I can still move a puddle of paint. I am afraid that that is probably, I need to mark this bottle. I think that might be the metallic from Anita's. Alright, so it's not perfect, and I am going to take a basting brush. What am I going to put on the inside of that? Nothing? Okay, nothing. Start in between. If we're lucky, we'll be able to fill up the center without making too much of a mess. I'm just using, these are like sketches. All these artworks are a place to begin to get other ideas. I still want some enamel, and I'm going to give it to myself too. And because I use the enamel, I'm probably going to try and throw that in the bucket, try and swipe. With my spatula. I got lots of nice paint there. I don't want any more of it interfering with what I've got. So I'm going to keep wiping it off. And then I think I'm going to do the gold. It's funny that I thought that was going to be a rainbow, and it looks more like Rasta colors. I'm just going to keep going around, I guess. I'm going to fill in my little white spots too. Can never tell what I'm going to do, honestly. I'm going to take some of that enamel, go right down there. I did like how this started though, it was pretty cool. I don't think the rainbow had any particular bearing on anything. Just looking for unswiped colors. I know that gold would be good. I am leaving the paint right on my spatula so I have enough to go around. That's that white metallic. Just sort of nudging that in place. I'm making an assumption that those marks will be under heavy enough paint to disappear. And I hope that I'm right. I could also drag out from that center and probably get some really neat cells happening if I decide to go with my skewer. But right now, oh wow, I got 2 minutes left to tell you guys I do sell my artwork, and my email address is right under Show More, under the Linktree link. I want, aha, the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst Spatula to meld those things, and I'm thinking I'm going to pull that out. So the Teespring clothing under the video is are my designs on all over print leggings and t-shirts. I'm not sure this is the way to start a center at all. Let's go with, I had a round one. Where'd it go? There it is. It's covered with schmutz. Hang on, I'll be in the bucket for a second. I always use a scrubby. And then I'm going to make sure that's dry. And then I still want to do what I said I was going to do. Now I do use Floetrol in all of my paint mixes, so it does level things out. I'm just not so sure about this particular thing. That's got black on it. That's not what I want. I want a skewer that's clean. What I really want is to use that basting brush. I got 1 minute left. Today I've been running out of time like crazy. And hopefully I'll be able to smooth that center. And I'm getting too much dark stuff in there. Need a nice damp rag close by. Permission to use my finger. And remove that little piece of grit. I know if my black marks show through tomorrow, I'd be surprised actually. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery out. Take care. Check out all the links under my link tree. It is what it is.